How does this dual setup look for the human eye? So here I have a night vision device, and on the other eye I have this Falcon Claw thermal device. Nice thing is, it's two components and they are connected with this Falcon Claw bridge. So here I just attach both devices and I have them connected and can just mount them here. And this is how I can walk around. To give you a feeling, I will stitch something together in Photoshop. So this is super roughly what you will see in a bright night with some moonlight. And then you have the night vision device on the right eye. It will most likely just overlap with the picture you see with your left eye. But at least in my setup, the night vision is too bright, so the right eye gets blinded and you have something like this. And now comes the thermal image from the left eye. Here it is, super small and narrow. It overlaps with the night vision device. And then you also have got the mounts and all the limitations of areas you cannot see. But of course, it's just a super rough sketch because I'm showing you like one picture and in real you have two eyes and you process two pictures. And this is how it looks through the device itself. So without the area you can see around it. Yeah, with the night vision device, you can see normal night vision device picture like you know it. And then you have the second eye, which has got the thermal picture, and the brain somehow melts them together. I try to duplicate this with this effect here. But the delay feels different than you see here in the video. It feels like less delay than in the video. Yeah, if you have almost no contrast in any one of these pictures, the brain more or less automatically prioritizes the other one. So if you have no contrast in the night vision picture, you mainly see the thermal picture. And if you have almost no contrast like here in the thermal picture, the brain will automatically prioritize the night vision picture. And with no stress, it's quite easy to just change which picture you concentrate on. And with both eyes open, I can select now the green picture or now the red picture. And this is why I like the night vision to be green and the thermal to be a different color. So it's easier for the brain to see which one is which. Because otherwise, if you have a bright spot and both pictures are green, you need longer to see or to recognize if it's a thermal signature or if it's a light source, so infrared signature. So this is why running thermal on red and the night vision with the green tube works for me quite well. And of course, under stress, you can easily just shut one eye, so you only see one picture, like only night vision or only thermal picture. In the beginning, I was worried that the red heat signature is easy to overlook, but as you can see here, it's still quite easy if you have a good signature to see it. Guys, feel free to share your experience because what I told here is only based on LARPing and peacetime experience. So feel free to tell me what you think.